In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get this shine effect inside of Premiere Pro. And the funny thing is it wasn't even possible to get it in Premiere Pro. I spent countless hours tweaking settings and transferring over from After Effects just so you guys don't have to deal with all this bullshit to get this shine effect. So without further ado, my name is Torsten Roscoe. Let me show you this effect. So here's the effect that we're gonna be creating. You can see it looks exactly like it is. It's the shine effect. We're inside of Premiere Pro. You don't have to deal with all that bullshit that I had to go through, and seriously, it was a really big pain in the ass to make this effect. And all you have to do, I made it super simple for you guys, is come over here, grab any of these you want. So if we just want a regular shine effect, drag it, drop it, and it's gonna load, boom, we're done. That's it. I can come into here, I can blow this up. I recommend always coming over to the motion and blowing it up, just so then the shine effect, I'll show you right now. When we come into properties tab, you can change the shine. So if I wanted to say POV, let's just say, I off click it, boom, POV, you can change all your fonts and stuff. And the reason why I say don't really grab this position is because you can see the shine effect doesn't move with it. That has to do with inside of After Effects, and I could not find a problem to solve that. So I came over to motion and I'm like, hey, let's just grab this, and now boom, it's fixed. So might as well. You don't have to go into After Effects. It's all in Premiere Pro. I fucking love this effect. And I also recommend using the scale to blow it up, just so it's just a lot easier than coming into font size. And let's just make this let's turn this one into this one. You can see how this one has like a lot better shine, and I absolutely love this one. So let's actually change its color. I know purple goes really good with yellow, if I can talk. So we're gonna go purple. Ooh, that's looking sexy. You can come into here, you have a lot of different settings. We can just grab glow, and this will just obviously add a glow to the effect. And we'll add like a glow radius, turn down this glow because it's a little high, and just like so. I really, really love that. And the shine effects here, you can mess with the shine effects. I made it all customizable, so you can just come over here, and this top one is the first shine effect, so you can mess with that. You can mess with the angle by just like, you can see the shine is moving and everything. I can also just bring this upwards, and let's say I want the width like crazy, and that's how I made these shine effects, is I cranked up like the width like crazy, and then I brought this like up here. So you can see how it like really makes this look really good. And you can see like the edge intensity where it comes from pink to white. All you have to do if you want that even more stronger, you can come over here, edge intensity, crank that baby. And then also if you wanted the thickness, so you want it to go from like here outwards, you can just crank that baby and it'll look like that. That looks so fucking good, dude, what the fuck? And let's go down to shine 2. And again, you can do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna mess with it really quick, see what we can actually cook up with. Maybe let's turn the shine intensity up. Actually, I think we're gonna do like a smaller one, and I want it to like kind of angle like this and just hit like the bottoms. Just like so, like this possibly. Maybe crank the width up a little bit and bring this down. Ooh, that's looking really sexy, not gonna lie. I can increase the shine so it makes it a little pinker. Ooh, yo, hold on. This is a little too easy, Okay, and then increase the edge thickness. Oh, yo, what the fuck? That's actually really dope, I love that. Dude, that was so easy to do. And I also made ones, so if you guys are like, hey, it's not doing anything, this is boring as hell. Well, the good thing is I made exclusive ones from After Effects, animations that you cannot make inside Premiere Pro, that I made it super easy for you guys, so you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours. And I hate using After Effects, that's why I never use it. But we can just come over here, and all the shine effects also have them, same with just regular ones. So if you don't want the shine effect, you can just grab this. So let's just say I wanted this one, I'll drag it, drop it, delete this shine effect, and when we come into here, I'll render it out. And then this is the effects. And it's as easy. So that's just like one effect you can do. If you want the exact same effect in shine, you can just come over here and grab the one that has the exact same effect in shine. It looks like it is this one. So here's the shine. You just have to mess around with the shine again, and boom. And if, let's say I don't even want the animation, like I don't even want it to come in to the right like here, I can change this animation control, and this is what really blows my mind with these. Or you can't do this with manual keyframing inside Premiere Pro unless you want to just take a long time. I made it so you can come over here, animation controls on one that have it. Let's say I wanted this, instead of coming it to the right, just like it is doing right now, I'm gonna put this X at 0, and then the Y at 150. Now it should be coming upwards. And now look. Yo, what the fuck? And let's go with something crazy. Like, let's do like, put this at 90 and let's see what it looks like. Yo, that's actually pretty cool. It like comes at like this different angle. That's really infinite animation possibilities. So coming back to this one, I don't even want to use this font. Let's just say I just want to come over here and grab any of these 15 fonts that I collected for you guys, and let's just say I wanted a kind of really cooler style. Ooh, that's actually pretty dope, dude. Yo, I would use that 100%. Or a Julian. Whoa, that's actually sick, man. Let's put this like in the middle and stuff. But I want it kind of like a bolder font, so I'm gonna go with Eleanor. This one's actually pretty dope. Or I know this one's super good, the inner. If I come down here, put it at black, oh yeah, that's really sexy. And because this doesn't have an animation, as you can see, and let's just say I didn't want any of those animations, I can just come over to the effects. I can come into my presets in the captions presets. I don't know why it says that it should be caption FX. And then just come in here. Let's just say I wanted it to appear down. So now it appears down. Bingo, just like so. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And let's say, I don't even want that. Who gives a shit about that appear down? I don't care. I don't like that effect. I do care, I love these. I'll just grab the appear up and now it appears up. It's so easy. It's fucking, this should be illegal to show off, but man, I'm doing it anyways. And there's a lot more effects. They're just the perfect basics that you would need if you want drop shadows and every single thing. And you also get all of these caption styles and all of those fonts that you just saw. And if you want to get all of this stuff, I'll leave it down in the link description. It's in my Captions FX pack. If you were looking to get extremely high quality captions and text styles for your videos, I mean, this is the only pack you'll ever need. It has the only animations you'll ever need. Same with all of the fonts that you'll just never look for fonts ever again in your life, because why would you when you have every single high quality font you could ever need? And if you guys use the code SHINE, you'll receive $5 off your order. And if you want to learn how I added 3 Instagram hooks in 3 minutes, go click this video right over here and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.